was okay, sir.
It was okay. Which subject?
Science, sir.
Science. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I've given some of the questions. Okay, if you are not able to solve right now, like at that time, we will solve this in this class. We'll discuss them and then we'll proceed. Okay, so
Okay,
I'm
sir.
giving you the question. So because like the practice is the major portion of the maths, as you all know. So without practice, we cannot progress. So I'm giving you one more question. So giving you 3 minutes. It's a straightforward question that we have done already in the example. So please solve this in the class and then we'll discuss, we'll start the next part. Sec theta is given as 13/12. So you have to find out all the trigonometric ratios. So you have to find out first which sides are given in this sec theta ratio. Can anybody tell me what is the ratio of sec theta in terms of perpendicular base and hypotenuse? Hmm? Anybody?
Hypotenuse by adjacent.
Hypotenuse by?
Adjacent.
So dear, adjacent. So both are the sides. Perpendicular is also adjacent to hypotenuse. Base is also adjacent to hypotenuse. Which side specifically? Base or perpendicular? Because hypotenuse is joined to all the side to both the sides, na, which is adjacent to it. So you have to be very specific in this. If you take this as P or if you take this as B, the whole scenario will change. Think about what is the reciprocal of sec theta, or sec theta is the reciprocal of which ratio? Hmm?
Hypotenuse by base.
Hypotenuse by base. Very good, Kiran. Is this Kiran or Samina?
Kiran, sir.
Kiran. Very good, Kiran. It's correct. Hypotenuse by base. Because sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Cos theta is B by H. So if you reciprocate the cos theta, you will get sec theta, which is base hypotenuse upon base. So solve the other things. So you have to find out the perpendicular to get the other ratios, because sin theta and tan theta and cosec theta involves the perpendicular. So that's what you need. Find out fast. Because trigonometry is a topic which can be twisted like so many times. Like if you have the question in front of you, it can be there, like you like it can be multiple approaches to solve that questions. It's possible to solve those questions in multiple approaches, but from those approaches, some of the approaches are correct and some of are wrong. So you have to be very specific. So you have to analyze the questions and think about it, which approach you should basically use. Okay, so do this question first. It can be a 3-marker question in your school, because pre-board is right now you are facing, and and trigonometry will also be there. So that's a definite question. Although it's a very easy question, but it can be, because CBSE also gives some basic questions in the exams. Done. Any answer from anybody? Please let me know. Jaslin, Kiran, and Samina. Very good, Jaslin. What about Kiran and Samina?
Almost done, so 1 sec.
Motion. Okay. Okay, Samina. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, look at the screen. Yeah. So sec theta is given as 13 by 12. It is 13 by 12. Okay. So it is equals to h by b. So hypotenuse is given as 13 and b is given as 12. Okay. So we need to find out the p to get all the trigonometric ratios. So p can be written as h square minus b square square root. Okay. H square is 13 square, which is 169, minus 12 square, 144. So it is coming out to be 25 is equals to 5. Okay. So your p is coming out to be 5. So here you can write p as 5. Okay. Let's find out the sine theta first. P by h is equals to 5 by 13. Cos theta will be the inverse of sec theta. Okay. So it would be 12 by 13. Okay. Why? Because you have to inverse it, it would be 12 by 13. Yes or no? Please let me know.
Yes,
Please
sir.
respond to me.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay, very good.
Yes.
Next is tan theta. Tan theta is given as p upon b. That is, p is what? 5. B is what? 12. Okay. So, and next is cot theta, which is the reciprocal of tan theta. That is b by p. It is equals to 12 by 5. Okay. And next is sec theta is already there, cosec theta. It's h by p. So it would be 13 by 5. So you, from these you can observe that sine theta and cos theta will always be less than 1. It cannot be equals to 1, or it can. Okay. It will always be less than 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Kiran. Okay, dear. Got it. Clear? But tan theta can be equals to 1. Okay, I've told you that maximum, the basically tan theta can also can be equals to 1, but sine theta and cos theta can never be equals to 1. Clear? Sine theta and cos theta will lie 0 to, suppose that theta is 1, for smaller than, it can be 0.99, but it will not be equals to for sine theta and cos theta. But apart from sine theta and cos theta, angles, sorry, trigonometric ratios value can be greater than 1, because tan theta max value is infinite. Cot theta can also be infinite. Cosec theta can also be infinite. Clear? You can see now 5 by 13 by 5 is greater than 1, yes or no? 12 by 5 is greater than 1, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
So you keep that thing in mind every time when you take out the when you calculate the value of sine theta and cos theta, it should not be equals to 1. It can only be equals can be like less than 0 or less than 1, sorry. Okay? 0 to, it will lie between 0 to 1. Clear? Next question. Do this question, giving you 2 minutes more to solve this. Straightforward question, not a tricky one. You have to find the value of tan p minus cot r. And then we'll start the trigonometric ratios of specific angles. First, tan p, so you have to think which will be the side perpendicular side, and if you are taking r as theta, so you have to change the theta, you have to change the, okay, perpendicular, because if the theta changes, so the whole scenario changes. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Okay, let's find it out. So you have basically the thing is given as, okay, Samina. Okay, very good. So first you have to find it out the value of this QR. Okay, Kiran. Okay, so let's find out the value of QR. So QR can be written as QR can be written as under root of PR square minus PQ square. Yes or no? Is equals to under root of 13 square minus 12 square. That is equals to 169 minus 144. It is equals to 25. So ultimately 5 centimeters is coming out to be the value of QR. So 5 centimeters is the value of QR. Clear? Clear? Let's find out the tan P. Tan P means if you are taking this as theta, it means that this will be your perpendicular because angle the side opposite to theta will be perpendicular. Okay, and this will be your base. So tan theta will be equals to tan P, sorry. will be equals to QR upon PQ. Yes or no? Is there anybody, any doubt? Please let me know.
No, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So QR is what? 5 by PQ is 12. Okay. Okay. Let's see cot R. So the angle is changed to R. Okay. Now this has become the value of okay. So cot R is equals to, this is the angle. So this will be a perpendicular PQ by QR. Yeah. PQ by QR will be equals to, PQ is 12 minus 5. Clear? 12 by 5. Clear? R is this now. Okay, sorry. Opposite होगा ना 5 by 12. QR upon PQ because it is based upon perpendicular 12. So you have to find the value of tan P minus cot R, that is equals to 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. It's coming out to be 0. Clear? Okay, very good. Clear? Anybody, any doubt? Please let me know once. Okay. Any doubt? Shall we move forward? Yes, please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically, now the topic is the trigonometric ratios at some specific angles. So specific angles means, so because angles can vary from 0 to 360. But we have to be so we are here to learn the specific values of the trigonometric ratios at some specific angles, because we don't require at this moment like what is the value of tan 65. So we don't be doing we won't be doing these things. We will be just taking some specific angles, that is 0. So theta will be here first. Theta will be here 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. So these basically 30, 45, 60. So these 5 angles will be taken. Okay, clear everybody? To find the values of all the 6 ratios. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do the first. That is sine theta. So I'm writing here 0 degree. Here is 30 degree. Here is 45 degree. Here is 60 degree. Here is 90 degree. Clear है? Okay. So okay. So just a second. Sin, यहाँ पे थीटा की वैल्यू लिख देता हूँ. And sin theta यहाँ पे आ जाएगा हमारा. So the value of sin theta is equals to 0. Okay. If the theta of sine is 0, it means if the theta is equals to 0, and if you are taking that with the sine function, so that value will be equals to 0. Clear? Clear? Please let
Yes,
me know
sir.
once. Okay. And because right now you don't have to understand from where it came. You just have to basically take the or you can say memorize the values right now, because it's not the part of your syllabus to basically prove these things. So how did you get the values? Clear? Are you getting my point, everybody? Please let me know.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So if you understand this thing, so you will be able to, like, you can calculate any value of any like 0, 30, and 45, 60, and 90 of any ratio, if you just memorize or understand the sine theta function values. So sine theta, if the theta is equals to 30, and if you use that 30 with the sine function, so that is coming out to be 1 by 2. The value of sine 30 is 1 by 2, and the value of sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Clear? The value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and the sine 90 is equals to 1. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Okay, let's take the cos theta. Cos theta is the reverse of the sin theta, because if you see the graph of sin theta graph is like this, wavy graph. You have seen this graph in the sound chapter, I think so. Wavelength graph, 9th class. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And cos theta graph is the like this, where the sine is minimum, the cos is maximum, and they intersect at 45 degree. The values of sine and cos is same at the 45 degree. It means that 45 degree 1 by root 2 फिर will be both for sine and cos. Clear है? Clear है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. So basically, if you take this thing, so you can see this thing where the sine is 0, cos is maximum. It means that sine, if the sine is minimum at 0, it means that if the sine is equals to 0 at 0 degree, the cos will be maximum, which is 1. Okay, just put these numbers here instead of there. So cos 30 will be equals to root 3 by 2. And these two numbers and sine 30 is 1 by 2. Because you can see, I've told you now, where the sine is maximum, cos is minimum, and cos is maximum, sine is minimum. Clear? Till now, any doubt, please let me know first.
No doubt.
Sure, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So at 0 degree, cos is maximum, and once you basically forward in with the angles, the cos will decrease, but sine will increase. You just have to reverse the thing. 1, 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and 0. So at 90 degree, cos is 0. The value of cos is 0. Clear? Eh? Yes or no? Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I've told you that if you have the value of sine and cos, you can calculate the tan. Can you please tell me what is the relation between tan, sine, and cos? Please let me know. Tan is the ratio of sine and cos. Sine by cos.
Yes, sir.
Remember? Clear? Okay. So divide sine theta. If you take the values of sine theta, you can write the values from these numbers. Sine 0 by 1. Sine theta is 0. Cos theta is 1. So 0 by 1 will be equals to 0 or 1?
0.
0. Okay. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. What will be the values? If you take this is a double division. So denominator will cancel the another denominator, that is 2 and 2. So what will be remaining?
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3. Very good. 1 by root 3. Clear? And you see this thing, 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. It will be equals to 1. Clear? So I've told you that the value of tan theta is 1. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
At 45, it will be 1. And root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2, if you divide it, denominator will get cancelled. What will be left?
Root 3.
Root 3. 1 by 0. Please let me know. 1 by 0. What will be the value?
Not defined.
Not defined. Very good. Not defined. Because we cannot divide a number by 0. It would be not defined. It means it kind of infinite. Clear? Not defined. So if you have these three ratios, you can find the other three ratios with the help of three ratios by just reversing them. Clear? Yes or no? Let's take the cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Yes or no? How many of you remember these things? At least, please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Clear है ना? अब now think a little bit. Cos upon base, cot theta is base by perpendicular. So base by perpendicular, it means that the ratio will change. Cos theta upon sin theta, it will become. If I take cot theta, Tan theta was sin theta by cos theta. But if I'm taking cot theta, it will be cos theta by sin theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So 1 by 0. 1 by 0 will be
Not defined.
not defined. Or you can just see this thing. These two behaves. If you write the value of sin theta, just revert them. You will get the value of cos theta. If this is the thing, you just have to reciprocate it. You will get the value of cot theta. Not defined will be here first. Okay. Or you can use this thing what I'm telling, cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta. Root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2. Denominator will cancel. What you will get? Root 3 will be left now. Root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2. 1 by 2 will get denominator will get cancelled now. I'm taking root 3 by 2 in the numerator. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is 1. So 1 upon 1 will be same. If you change to like if you write 1 by 1, p 1 by 1 or 1 by 1, it will be same now. Clear? So value of cos theta and cot theta and tan theta will be same at 45 degree as well. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next is 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2. So 2 will get cancelled. What will be left? 1 by root 3. It's the the reversing number of the tan theta. Just see this thing now. Not defined. Root 3, 1, 1 by root 3. And it will be 0 because 0 by 1 is 0 na. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you don't have to memorize. You have to be very logical and conceptual. That's what I'm trying to teach you. Like you can memorize the table at anyhow, like there are many tricks, but if you learn the table by the concept, you will never forget these tables in your life. And that's what I have done, and you can say experimented or approached in my life as well. I've never learned this table. I've just used one thing, sine theta. Okay, I'll just reverse it. It will be the value of cos. If I take sine theta and cos theta, I will get the value of tan theta. If I reciprocate the value of tan theta, I will get the cot theta, or I will take the ratio of cos theta by sin theta. Clear? Hai? Yes or no? Next
Yes,
is
sir.
sec theta. So sec theta is the reciprocal of which number or which ratio?
Fine.
That is cos. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos. Clear? So reciprocate the number 1. If you reciprocate 1, what will be the value of 1 if you reciprocate it? 1 by 1. If you reciprocate it, it would be 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
And if you take this number, if you reciprocate this number, here this is h and this is b. The sec theta is basically h by b, so it will be 2 by root 3. Sec theta is this. It's equals to 1 by cos theta. Okay. 1 by root 3 by 2. So this is double division. So this will go in the numerator. So it will become 2 by root 3. That's what I'm saying. Clear? Please let me know. How many of you got this point?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes.
doubt? Please let me know. Is the double division clear, everybody? Please, अगर कोई doubt है, please ask me. Don't hesitate or don't be shy. Because this table is very important. If you understand this table, you won't be like you will not get stuck in any of the questions which is coming in the coming exercises and the boards exams as well. Clear है?
Yes.
ये समझ में आया आपको?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Okay, very good. So it is 2 by root 3. So and you reciprocate the 1 by root 2, what you will get?
Root 2.
Root 2. Very good. If you reciprocate that 1 by 2, what you will get?
2.
2. And if you reciprocate the 0, what you will get? It is right now it's 0 by 1. But if you reciprocate, what you will get? Not defined. Na? 1 by 0, it will be 1 by 0. Now, if you reciprocate 1 by 0,
Yes, sir.
1 upon 1 by 0. So 0 will go, sorry, 1 upon 0 by 1. 0 by 1. So 1 will go in the numerator. So it will become 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. Na? That what we have done in the cot and tan. Clear? So it is not defined. Clear? Let's move to the next thing. Cosec theta. So cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So it right now it's 0 by 1. When you reciprocate it, what you will get?
Not defined.
Not defined. Very good. And you will practice a little bit, na, right? Try to make your table, make the table on your own. When you will practice this, you will get to know that what basically you will understand in a much better way. Because right now I'm telling you, you are listening and you are seeing, but when your hand will write these things, na, you will be able to understand in a better manner. Clear? Once you do this thing, try to do this thing for a week, and then paste this table, make a table on a paper and paste this table on the right hand side or the left hand side, wherever your bed is. Just paste it right there. And whenever you go to bed, whenever you wake up to the from the bed, just okay, this is sine theta value is 0, 1, okay, 1 by 2. So do this thing. So that will be your daily routine, and it will be a kind of part of your daily routine. So you will be able to memorize the table in a much better manner. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, sine theta, inverse of sine theta is cosec theta. If you inverse this 1 by 2, what you will get?
2.
2. And if you inverse 1 by root 2, what you will get?
Root 2.
Root 2. If you inverse root 3 by 2, what you will get?
2 by root 3.
2 by root 3. If you inverse 1,
1.
1. Now you can see this thing, na? Sine, reversing the value of sine, you will get cos. Reversing the value of tan, you will get cot. Reversing the value of sec, you will get cosec. Not defined. 2, root 2 is already there. Root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1. So there are so many things to link them up. I hope it's clear to you. Please let me know, everybody.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Please let me know. Any doubt?
No
No,
doubt,
sir.
sir.
अच्छा ठीक है. So चलो जल्दी से क्वेश्चन करते हैं. Okay, let's do the basically let's apply this thing in the questions. Please let me know any doubt. Please clear everybody. Okay, this is the first question. Just a second. Okay, so am I audible, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's do this question. Basically, the kind of triangle is given in which one of the angle is given as theta. Okay, which is 30 degree. Okay, for that thing, you have to find out the value of the length of side, basically that is length BC and AC. The length of AB is given, which is 5 centimeter. So let's find it out. Okay, so that is, let's find out AB is given as 5 centimeter. Angle ACB is given as 30 centimeter. Okay. So if you need the value of BC, which trigonometric ratios you should use to find the value of BC? If the perpendicular is given, you need the base. Which trigonometric ratio you should use? Please let me know.
Tan.
Tan, very good. So tan can be written as tan C, which is equals to AB upon BC. Okay. So AB value is 5. BC will be written as BC. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So what is the value of tan 30? Put the value of C as 30. Take the reference from the table. Please let me know. 1 by root 3. Very good. देखो right now अभी आप लोगों को जरूरत पड़ेगी टेबल रेफरेंस की, बट जब when you will memorize the table or understand the table ना, table will be your in at your fingertips. You will just okay that tan 30, you will फटाक से आंसर दोगे आप एकदम. So बस अपने आप पे कॉन्फिडेंस रखो अच्छे से. ठीक है. So BC, cross multiply them, BC will go there and 5 root 3 will be the value. So this is the value of BC and AC is required. Now you can apply the Pythagoras theorem, but it is not appropriate because it's the question of trigonometry. So you should use the trigonometric concepts to solve these questions. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now tell me which trigonometric ratio you should use to find the value of, you have the both base and hypotenuse. Sorry, both base and perpendicular. So you need to find out the value of hypotenuse. So which ratio you should use? So I think there are two options according to me.
Sin theta or cos
Sin
theta.
theta, very good. Sin theta and cos theta, both are the option because you have both base and perpendicular. So you can apply any of the ratio, you will get the same answer. Okay. Sin theta, let's take sin theta, which is AB, sin C basically, sin C, but theta because C word is used. So whatever the word is used, you have to take that word. Clear? So AB upon AC. Clear? So sin 30 is equals to AB value is 5, AC is not given. What is the value of sin theta? Can anybody tell me? Sin 30?
One by two.
Very good. So 1 by 2. So it would be 5 by 1 by 2 is equals to 5 by just a second. Actually मेरा पेन जो है ना थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है. So it is BAC. So cross multiply them. AC is equals to 2 into 5, which is equals to 10 centimeter. Clear है? Both is this clear to everybody? Please let me know.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक है, that's great. So let's do one more question. देखो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से आप लोग कर सकते हो. इट्स नॉट लाइक यू मार्क्स वोंट बी डिडक्टेड. बट अगर आप ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो कर रहे हो, आप नए कॉन्सेप्ट सीख रहे हैं, तो क्यों दैट्स बेसिकली आपको क्यों सिखाया जा रहा है? सो दैट यू कैन अप्लाई दोज कॉन्सेप्ट्स. क्लियर है? सो आप देख रहे हो ना, पाइथागोरस से थोड़ा सा लेंदी हो जाता है, बट आपका यहाँ पे दैट इट्स मच इजियर टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस डायरेक्टली. क्लियर?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Okay, so let's do one more question. If I give you one question, so would you like to try? सिमिलर क्वेश्चन है, बट देखता हूँ. ओके, बिकॉज देखो, मैं आप लोगों को क्वेश्चंस ट्राई करने के लिए ज्यादा फोर्स इसलिए करता हूँ ताकि देखो, so that you can understand and starting analyze the question. Okay, so that's the main reason behind that is this, basically to develop your understand or analytical thinking. It's not my motive to basically solve those questions by your own, but I just wanted to develop your analytical memory. Do this thing. Giving you 1 minute only. It's a straightforward 1 minute questions. Well, any answer from anybody? Samina, Kiran, Jasleen. Okay, six. Samina, give me the answer. Okay, what about the Samina? There are two angles you have to find here, not one angle. QPR and PQR, both the angles you have to find it out. So you can find it out if you find out one angle. So you can find it out using the complementary property of the angles, because it's already 90 degree na? So these are called complementary angles that pair up to 90 degrees. Okay, so one answer. That is okay, Jasleen. Okay, so let's find it out. Okay, I think Samina. Okay, dear, very good. Both of you, very good. अच्छा देखो, पी क्यू आर गिवन है, ठीक है। So PQR is given. So let's find out the value of angle QPR. So if I'm taking QPR, this angle, so this will become your perpendicular and this will become your base and this will be hypotenuse. Clear? So let's take the angle QPR. It will be equals to, QPR will be equals to QR upon, let's, if I'm taking, okay, so QPR take, let's take the angle, PQ it's given 3. So हमारे पास परपेंडिकुलर लिया है, तो हम लोग इसको tan से कैलकुलेट करते हैं, tan P। P बेसिकली P मैं डायरेक्टली क्यों ले रहा हूँ, क्योंकि जो हमारा मिडल वाला होता है ना, दैट इज अवर मेन एंगल। क्लियर है? दैट इज P। क्लियर एवरीबडी, यस और नो? tan P will be equals to QR upon PQ, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so QR is equals to, it's not given, upon में PQ is 3. So tan P, right angle at this, okay. अच्छा यार, सॉरी, आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट टू यूज द पाइथागोरस फर्स्ट, बिकॉज यहाँ से हमें परपेंडिकुलर तो निकालना ही था। ओके, सो क्यू आर कैन बी रिटन एज पी आर स्क्वायर माइनस पी क्यू स्क्वायर, दैट इज 36 minus 9, it is equals to 20, 36, it's 36 minus 9, 6 and 3, या फिर देख लिया आंसर, पी क्यू बाय पी आर, पी क्यू बाय पी आर साइन पी, साइन आर इज इक्वल्स टू PQ by PR is equals to 3 by 6 is equals to 1 by 2. So यार angle R is coming out to be 30 degree. Half angle जो होता है R का sin पे 30 degree. So ये 30 degree आ गया आपका. So these are called complementary angles. Angle P plus angle R will be equals to 90 degree. How? Complementary angles. Okay. And if the P plus 30 degree is equals to 90, so angle P is coming out to be 60 degree. Clear है? That's what. Sorry, वो मैं उधर इसमें क्या कहते हैं, पाइथागोरस अप्लाई कर दिया था। क्लियर है? So this is the basic questions based on the, you can say, trigonometric ratios at specific angle. Just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. Actually, I had a call. Just give me a moment. Okay, everybody, clear है ये? Sorry
Yes,
यार,
sir.
ये वाला पार्ट जो ना, मैं इसलिए ये मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया। ठीक है, so ये 3 by आपको दो sides given है, perpendicular, this is your, so if you take this angle as the theta, so this will become your perpendicular and this will become your hypotenuse. If you divide both the things, you will get the sine of R, and if you get the sine of R, the 1 by 2 is basically the value. So that's how you will get the value of angle R as 30 degree. Clear? Clear everybody? Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So हाँ, so अभी देखते हैं, अभी basically हमारा like time is not there. So I will giving you some basic questions. You just have to put the values and find out the values of the specific expressions. And in the coming question, there is a one question in which the basically in the tan theta or the sine theta, the sum of the angles will be given instead of the single angle. That will be doing, and that question basically is of 3 markers, and that's a very common question in the boards exams. ठीक है? Clear? At least yes or no बोलो. क्या हुआ, समझ में नहीं आया जो मैंने बोला?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है. अच्छा चलो एक क्वेश्चन देता हूँ आपको. लाइक आई एम गिविंग यू वन क्वेश्चन और बेसिकली एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन है. लेट्स गिव मी द आंसर ऑफ दैट क्वेश्चन. हुआ क्वेश्चन? एनीबॉडी एनी आंसर? प्लीज लेट मी नो.
Done, sir.
Done? Okay, give me the answer in the chat. Okay, Samina. चलो जल्दी से आंसर देखते हैं. टू tan theta, put the value. Tan theta is equals to, okay, tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30 degree. Put the values here. 2 into 1 by root 3 upon 1 minus 1 by root 3 square. Clear? So 2 by root 3 is in the numerator and it's a double division. So 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3. So it's coming out to be 2 by root 3 upon, take the LCM in the denominator, is in the lower part, 3 minus 1. Okay. So 2 by root 3 by 2 by 3. You can see this thing will get cancelled and this thing will go in the numerator. So it will be, 3 by root 3. So it's coming out to be root 3. So that is the value of tan 60 degree. Clear?